Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I will currently see what the chart is doing today, and the Federal Reserve meeting at the same time is going to have a huge impact on the market. But for what I'm seeing here on the screen, I don't think we'll be going that low. Because if you should take a very good look at the MACD here, you can see there is a rising wedge in the MACD. If you take a very good look at the MACD from this point and this point, you see that there is a rising wedge here, and then from this angle here, we're currently on the 1 hour time frame. You can see there is a rising wedge up here again. At the same time, you can see how Bitcoin has been circling around this particular angle here. It's looking like another rising wedge up there again. And then at the same time, you can see what currently happened within this circle here. And then the market fell. And then at this point, another forming was holding on. And then the market fell again. And then there was a lifted up here. And then this same angle here is trying to buy itself way up. So I believe that the Federal Reserve meeting is going to favor the market today. But if it doesn't, that means our point of 17,600 will be 100% accurately analyzed on the chart as we are seeing right here. But for now, we do not know where the market is going to go. When the Federal Reserve meeting is announced, I believe in 10-hour time the meeting should be announced, and then we'll know the impact on the market. We're truly going to know what is going to happen, because definitely what we see what happened at this point here, we could currently see that the same angle is about to figure out here. If you take a very good look at the chart, what previously happened here is about to take its shape again at this point here. So I believe the market might decide to bounce back up to 20,600, or the market might fall, like I said, and will be holding our point at 17 or 17,900. That is where I'm hoping my target to be. Like I've showed you guys here, that's where I'm hoping my target to be, because the Federal Reserve meeting is always having a huge impact on the market. The last Reserve meeting, the market dump. The one before then, the market pump. So this one, I believe the market will pump. I just have that in mind, that the market will come, because if the market fell from this point again, it's going to have a very huge down impact on the market. That means we may be going way more down than we expect. But if you take a very look at this point, you could see that we are having a weak sell. That means there are no more sellers on the market, because since yesterday the market has been on 18,900, 19,000, and you could see it has ranged at that point. At a point it went to $19,130. So it has been ranging within that point, and that's how it normally do whenever the Federal Reserve meeting is coming, because sellers are down and then buyers are not sure if they should go into the market, because they may not know if the Federal Reserve meeting is going to really drop the market on them. They do not know. So nobody, except for transaction purposes, people are not buying to keep or buying to hold at the same at the point. And Michael Saylor did bought Bitcoin yesterday, is having a total of 130,000 Bitcoin already. That worth 2 point something billion. That alone worth 2 point something billion. So if he should buy when he knows the Federal Reserve meeting will be today, so I don't think the market is going to dump that much on us. So let's take a good look at the Federal Reserve meeting chart and know what we are expecting in the market, because if we have anything below, if we have anything above 8.5, I believe this market will dump. Anything below 8.5, this market will dump. But if we have something 8.5, 8.4, I believe my analysis might give us that. And if we should have something accurate to that, that means the market is going to pump, and the pump might take us to, as I've said, to 20,600 before we may see another downtrend that might bring us back to 20 or 19k again. We are still in the bear market. September is always bear. So let's take a very good look at the Federal Reserve meeting chart for now. So guys, so this is the chart for the Federal Reserve meeting. This is the chart. So we see the previous chart. You see it went low, so for those of us that knows what chart does, if you take a look at the pattern where this moving average is now from the chart, you will see it's about to move high. So I'm currently on my long position on the market either. I'm currently on my long position. It's about to move high. So let's just see how it plays out to be. Let us see how it plays out to be. So if you take a look at see this particular announcement here, this 8.5 dumped the market. Sorry, 8.3 dumped the market, and then 8.5 pumped the market, and then I believe today own should pump the market. That's what I have in mind. I believe today wants to pump the market. So let's see how it goes. So inside our triangle here, inside our circumference, if this as the market remains inside this plate, it means we are safe. See the previous chart here, and then it came up above again, and then if you take a good look at the MACD, we are having a very low weak sell down here. We are having a very weak sell down here, and then let's quickly take a very good look at the weekly and the daily time frame, and you see that the market is looking bullish on those two charts. It is just down here, like we see the chart still comes down to this place. We're still circling around here. No, the chart is still circling around this point here. We're still in this angle, like this. So I don't know, there could be a break up or there could be a breakdown. Any of them could come to us today. Any of them will come to us today, as you see here. If we take a very good look at the MACD, from this point we started having our weak sell, and we are currently on the weak sell. So I believe sellers are not selling much, and I believe when buyers see that sellers are not selling much, they will want to come in to buy. So that is just what we have on the chart today. Guys, in 10 hours from now, the Federal Reserve meeting will be held, and then it will determine the fate of the market. So until then, see you guys in our YouTube video. Do well to leave a thumb up on the video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video.